Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best face painting kits that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Zanovica Face Paint Kit for Kids. Zanovica is a leading manufacturer of top-quality face painting kits. This set contains all the necessary tools and equipment required to achieve ultimate performances and better results. The versatile construction makes it perfect for both kids and adults. The kit includes 40 reusable stencils, 14 vibrant colors, 2 brushes, 2 sponges and 1 glittering gold powder. There's an additional face painting book offering clear instructions. Of course, the skin needs something safe and non-toxic. With this product, it includes safe and secure ingredients which keep your skin safe and healthy. The water-activated paints guarantee safety for your skin. The paints contain no chemicals, making it perfect for kids and adults. Additionally, this product boasts FDA-compliant, fragrance-free, and hypoallergenic ingredients free of toxins and other harmful elements. The hypoallergenic aspect makes it perfect for all skin types. Something else, this product offers an easy and convenient application process which makes it ideal for use by anyone. It requires a few drops of water to form a pasty substance for a suitable application. Lastly, the colors dry up pretty fast, so they are perfect for kids and adults. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Zenovika Face Paint Kit for Kids. This is yet another excellent face painting kit perfect for kids and adults. It comes with all the necessary items required for a great application and better results. Something else, this product comes with 2 brushes, 60 reusable stencils, 2 glitter powders, 2 chalk colors for the hair and 2 sponges. The package also includes a clear instructional book for convenient learning. The product also boasts an easy-to-use design, making it ideal for all skin types. One only requires water and a sponge or brush for convenient application. The colors also dry quite fast, so you won't wait for hours after application. Another thing, the removal process also requires minimal effort since cleaning with soap and water is enough. This set contains safe and secure ingredients with non-toxic paints for extra safety of your skin. It also features non-toxic, FDA-approved, and hypoallergenic ingredients which make it safe and perfect for your skin. At number 3, we have the Swacc Face Paint Kits for Kids. Next is the Swacc Face Painting Kit. The product boasts 100% safe ingredients which make it perfect for kids and adults. The ingredients are safe, non-toxic, water-based, natural, and hypoallergenic. Something else, the FDA-approved ingredients make it safe and perfect for all users. Another thing, this set comes with all the necessary tools including 30 stencils, 20 washable colors and 3 brushes, among others. The safe ingredients make it perfect for all skin types. Another thing, the reusable paints make the set even better and perfect for buyers. There are various color options for the paint, making the set worth a purchase. At number 2, we have the Blue Squid Face Paint Crayons for Kids. This is yet another great product available out there. The face painting kit contains all the necessary items required for excellent results. Something else, the kit comes with 30 long color sticks for ultimate performance. The safe ingredients make it ideal for all users. Additionally, the beautiful and sturdy color sticks offer the effective application for a great outcome. The hypoallergenic, safe, non-toxic, and non-chemical ingredients make the product perfect for all skin types, including the sensitive ones. Additionally, the convenient capacity makes the product ideal for several uses. There's enough makeup for numerous applications as well. The easy removal feature makes it perfect. One only requires soap and water to wash the paints off their face. And finally, at number 1, we have the Buggles Professional Face Paint Kit. This is a world-class face painting kit recognized across the globe. It boasts non-toxic, safe, and FDA-approved ingredients which make it safe and secure for all people. The hypoallergenic design makes it perfect for all people, including those with sensitive skins. Something else, the product comes with all the necessary items, including 50 stencils, and different paints. The product also boasts skin-safe components making it perfect for kids and adults. Furthermore, the set features easy removal design making it ideal for use. One only requires water and soap to remove it. Also, the easy application process makes it a perfect investment. One needs simple tools, so there won't be too much investment required. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.